Hi folks, Professor Amache wanted to get you through T6 Code Challenge 1, and we're going to be using Emmet to help make easy work of our tables. Okay, so if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, what we're going to do here for T6 Code 1 is come out here right after the header, and we're going to create a table here. So underneath this table is going to be everything that we're going to be working with here. So let's see if we can get a preview going here as well. Okay, so we got that preview, and then here's our live preview URL. Let's go ahead and throw this in here too. Okay, so underneath our table, our first item is the caption. Okay, and with Emmet here, what you can do is if you add curly braces here, then you can actually specify some text that's right in here. So under caption, there's what we got going right there. So good. Now, we're also going to need a column group. So underneath that column group, we're going to have two IDs. One's called first column and one's called hour columns. So the hour columns are going to go left to right, and first call is going to go top to down. Okay, so we create our column group that's right here. And underneath this, we can do column, and the ID is going to be first column. Okay, and the second one here is column ID hour calls. And then we can also extend this by doing span equals 9. So this is going to go across 9 rows here. Expand that out. Column ID hour calls, and we're doing a span of 9 here. So after the column group over here, okay, let's start over here. This is going to be T-head. T-head, and the child underneath this is going to be a table row. And then we're going to have the conference room over here, and then 8 o'clock, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to be building this row out here. Okay, and it's the head. So let's come out and do TH. And the text here is going to be conference room. And table head. And why don't we just insert some generic text in there, because this is going to be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are going to do this 9 times. Okay, good. So there's the T head here. Here's the table row. And then the table heads right here. Table headers. So this text that's going to be right here, this is the 8 a.m. Okay, next one is 9 a.m. Next one is 10 a.m. Next one's 11 a.m. This one is 12 p.m. And then 1 p.m. 2 p.m. 3 p.m. 4 p.m. There we go. There's our conference room. 8 a.m., 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's come out here to T-body now. And we're gonna build all this out under T-body here. So under T-body, let's do table row. Then it's gonna be table header, rows room, plus, okay, how many events do we got going here? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we got 4 events. And we could do TD times 4. Okay, good. So the first one, retirement planning seminar. Okay, and that spans 4 columns. So that's a call span 4. And then this is the retirement planning seminar. Okay, the next one is free. Then we got call span 2. And that's friends of the library meeting. And then we also have algebra 2 tutoring. So again, call span 2. Algebra 2 tutoring. That should span 4 there. We got free time at 12 o'clock there. Friends of the library spanning 2. Algebra 2 spanning 2. Okay, great. Let's build out the next one. So the next one is the Lilac room. And we're also going to take a look at this here. We're also going to build it out this way. So we'll do TR, TH, Lilac room. Okay, plus that first event there is call span 2 and it's free time, right? So underneath here we'll do call span equals 2, and then this one's free. Okay, the second event is TD. We'll do call span equals 2, and then it's scrapbooking club. Okay, and TD for the next one, and it's library lunch. Okay. Then the next one is the reading club. Okay, and the next one, job interview workshop, and that's going to span 2 hours there. So that's call span 2, and that's the job interview workshop. And that last hour is free. Let's take this and we can expand that out there. Expand abbreviation. So here we go. We got the Lilac room. Call span 2 is free. Then we got the scrapbooking club eating up 2 blocks of time. A library lunch, reading club, and the job interview workshop, and we're free on the last one there. Okay, next one is the lavender room. Okay, so let's do TH there, lavender room. Call span is 3 there, and the text is free. Okay, next line there is private use for an hour there. plus, next one is free, then call span 2. It's equals 2 there, and the text is webinar reservation. And the last event for the day, it's a call span 2. And that was chemistry tutoring. Okay, expand that out. Okay, I think we're looking good there. And I think, yeah, this is the last one here. It's the olive room. So we got TR, TH. This one is the olive room. Okay, and it's TD call span 4. It's going to span 4 there, and it is the city planning meeting. Plus 1 hour for lunch. And then finish out the day, another 3 hours there. Okay, it's going to equal 3 there, and that's city planning meeting. And then 1 more hour there for private use. I guess if it's some of those administrators or leadership, if they need to take something offline really quick, then clear the room and you got an hour there. All right, let's expand that out. That's olive room call span 4. Yep, city planning meeting, the lunch here, and then back to the meeting and 1 hour for the private use there. Okay, looks like we got all of our text in. And our next step here is to handle the CSS. All right, so let's come out here for the table. We're gonna do a border collapse. We're also gonna do the border is 20 pixel grooved gray. And the TH and the TDs there, the border is gonna be 1 pixel solid gray. Padding is going to be 5 pixel. Text align is going to be left. Vertical align is going to be at the top there. And I think we also need to link to our CSSs here. That's right, don't forget to link to your CSSs or you're not going to see anything happen here. Okay, link CSS times 2. Okay, that's code 6.1 layout. That's the first one. And that's your table there. Okay, so there's your border, there's all of that. Hey, yeah, actually let's just kind of show you what's going on here. So if we were to do this and save that, that's what it kind of looks like there, and then without the table here, that's what it looks like. Okay, so with the table, okay, with these other borders and the paddings here. Okay, good. So let's handle this caption that's up here. We'll do the caption side. We'll do that for top. Text align, we'll do left, and font size 1.5. Okay, good. Now that took it and aligned it to the left right over here. All right, now good. Let's go to our table column first call. Okay, that was the ID of first call, and I think you remember that from the HTML there. So let's set that background color to yellow. Set that width to 150 pixels. Okay, so that first column's like that. And then we're going to set the hour columns. Okay, that width is going to be 75 pixels. Okay, good. And let's set that right up here, that color to be aqua. And you do that with table, t-head, and background color is going to be aqua. Okay, I think that's going to do it. Hope you found that useful. Like, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.